Alright, so I feel like I need to explain what happened the last couple of days, because I didn't upload videos there. So on Thursday, like I said, we had the on-site testing. I was in the car for 7 hours and then had the appointment with a customer. And while I did record videos there, I just didn't have the option for a computer to edit them and upload them to YouTube. So that's that. For Friday, on the other hand, I don't have any explanation or excuse. That is on my part for not uploading anything. So here's my best attempt to make up for it. After the on-site test on Thursday, we were going through everything we learned, defined a lot of new tasks and bug fixes and tweaks and stuff like that. And since then, I'm only working on fixing these things and improving the game in very little steps. So I don't have much to show in terms of what I did each day and especially not in visual content. So here's my best try to now finally explain to you what this app is about, how it's structured. So let's dive right in. So this app is meant to be played on site on the location there, and it will guide you around a lake there. And in the selection for the missions, you select your mission you want to play. It guides you to the starting positions and what you're gonna have to do and what you're kind of got to expect when playing this game. Like here it's 120 minutes of playtime, and then you can start the game. And the principle is that this little squirrel there called Stuart will guide you through the app and give you his magic compass. So you saw me implementing this in earlier videos. You can use this to actually find the stations which are located around the lake, and as soon as you reach one, you can press start to get to it, and then the dialogue plays, and whatever is inside that station, which could be a riddle or a mini game, you also saw me implementing a lot of them on this channel already, will be played. We also have this options menu where you can now get hints and solutions for the puzzles if they are too complicated, so you don't get stuck anywhere. And because this is a station I can play on the PC here because it needs GPS coordinates, I'm gonna return to the compass for now. And I can just show you like station 4 for a second, where on the one hand we have riddles most of the time with GPS or using the gyroscope of the smartphone or the magnetometer, and we also have riddles using the cameras, so all the sensory information you can get from a smartphone. And on the other end we have these mini games, which are just basic simple mini games that you can play and have fun with. So like with this one, it is actually controlled by the gyroscope. Obviously my computer doesn't have one and I don't want to throw it through the room to simulate that. So I'm gonna use the alternative way of controlling it, which will always be available in the app as well. And then I can move myself through this obstacle course here. And that's the basic concept. You complete these stations. For this mission there are 8 in total, and you get to know the location you're in, and at the end you also get the opportunity to make a selfie with all the characters from the mission. So you get a photo to take back home after you enjoyed this day there.